This is V-Color's XFinity Plus, the world's first high-end memory module with a built-in information display. It's not just powerful, it's visual and interactive. XFinity Plus is global's first memory module with an integrated display, showing real-time temperature, frequency, and voltage. Gamers can instantly monitor their system during gameplay and overclocking, enhancing control and interaction. We don't just make memory glow, we make it shine like art. XFinity Plus features a silver-coated light bar with 40% brighter LEDs, delivering premium style than when the lights are off. With addressable ARG, each LED on XFinity Plus is individually controlled for richer effects. It also syncs with major motherboard software to match your unique style. A 1.5mm thick high-strength heatsink with multi-angled geometric grooves not only adds visual depth, but also enhances heat dispersion, ensuring stable performance during extended operation. Each XFinity Plus heatsink uses lead-free, recyclable, eco-friendly paint. We're committed to green manufacturing, reducing our carbon footprint for the planet and for the health of every user. XFinity Plus redefines memory, not just a performance core, but a fusion of interaction, aesthetics, and sustainability. From now on, power has a face and style.